One day, snake is very sad. Friend is not coming a cow. He eating the grass.
Cow is eating grass. Oh, in its cow shed.
It is cow shed.
Ah, okay. Then
Snake come to the cow shed.
oh,
Why is you coming? Not coming. I am eating the grass. I am very hungry.
said the cow.
Send the cow. Okay.
What is snake drinking? Water. Oh.
Juice.
Juice from where? Okay.
Which juice is drinking?